Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to get iPhone emojis on Discord. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To use iPhone emojis on Discord, you can simply utilize the native iOS keyboard that includes these emojis. Here's how you can do it. First method, using the native iOS emoji keyboard. Launch the Discord app on your iPhone. Go to a server or direct message where you want to send emojis. Tap on the text box, bring up the iOS keyboard. Tap the globe or smiley face icon at the bottom left of the keyboard to switch to the emoji keyboard. Browse through the categories and tap on the emoji you want to use. It will be inserted into your message. After typing your message with the selected emojis, tap the send button. Last method, if you want to use specific iPhone style emojis and ensure they display consistently, you can also copy and paste them from the source like an emoji website or a previous message. Find the emoji you want to use from a website or previous message and tap and hold on it. Then choose the tab Copy. Open Discord and navigate to where you want to use the emoji. Tap and hold at the text box and just choose the tab, the paste button that appears on the top of the text box. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.